What's up guys, it's Tommy here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use your iPhone to secret listen. By secret listen I mean using the live listen feature on the iPhone. So basically what you'll be able to do is leave your iPhone in any room, and as long as you're connected to some AirPods or even some other wireless Bluetooth headphones, you'll be able to listen to anything that your iPhone picks up in that room. Now I do think Apple introduced the live listening feature for people who have hearing problems. They would be able to insert their headphones and then use their iPhone to hear things at a higher volume, which in return will help them with their hearing problem. That's my guess, I really don't know, but I don't think they added the feature to secret listen on people. However, you can use it however you want. So in this video I will be showing you guys how to do it, and I'll also be giving you guys an example of how it works. And the last thing I want to mention, again, if you haven't checked out my website, I will be making a blog post on this video as well. So if it's easier for you to follow written instructions, definitely check it out. Link will be in the description. Having said that, let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into settings. From settings, go to control center, customize controls, and then scroll down until you see the hearing control, which is this one right over here. Go ahead and add that, and then go back to the home screen. Now open up your control center and make sure that the icon is in there, which is this one on the bottom right corner. Now what you're going to want to do is grab your headphones. In this case, I'm going to use the Powerbeats 2. Go ahead and turn them on. Wait until they're connected. Once they have been connected, go ahead and hit on the ear icon and then click on, and now the secret / live listen feature is active. You'll be able to know because when you talk, the bubbles fill up. So now I'm going to give you guys an example of how you can actually use this feature. Alright, so what I'm going to do is leave my iPhone here next to the computer where I'm going to be playing a video, and then I'll be going to another room with the headphones to show you guys that it does work and you can hear any noise that's going down in this room from a different room with just the headphones.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So I'm gonna go ahead and leave the iPhone here, play the video, and then we'll just go ahead and go to another room with these headphones. Alright guys, so I have the headphones right here. I can already hear the noise coming out of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring them up next to the mic so that you guys can hear that it does work. So yeah, we're in a whole different room and we can hear all the noise that's coming from my original room over there. So now we're gonna go ahead and check back up on the iPhone. Alright, so here we are back in the original room where I film and stuff, so we'll pause that. And as you can see, you don't need to have your iPhone turned on. You can have it with the screen off and it'll still pick up all the noise around it. But that sums up the video. I hope it was helpful in some way. If you enjoyed it, please smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.